Ladies, if una see man, ladies, if una see man wey be say he love una, he ready to settle, mona put head for ground, stay with am. No because of your parents say my parents never eat o, my parents never do this one, make you lose the best man for your life. No, your parents just want to destroy your life. There are some parents wey be say need the good thing from you, while there are some parents wey be say e just want useless your life for you. All the one may you just want, may you just dey pack the money cause they give am. You no care to know where you for get the money from. You no care whether na street work you dey do. You no care how you take dey eat for jail, whether na camp you dey or you dey sleep for road. Na some parents just know. You know wetin some parents dey do for Africa? The thing dey vex me. When I say vex, you no go know as I say provoke. Why some girls be single ladies up till now because of their family, because of their bad family wey be say their mama don marry, no one make their children marry for this Europe. Now God will punish them. All these evil mothers wey be say you no wan let their own children benefit their goodness. Can you just imagine you go send your pikin come this Europe, all wetin you just need, say me just use less her life. Make you just use less her life. She go meet a good man for her life. You no go let her settle down. Wetin dey happen, Africa women? Wetin dey happen? They no say make your pikin no support you. If your pikin wan support you, at least no be every day. If you wan buy maggi, na Isol. If you wan buy cup of rice, na Juliet. If you wan buy rubber of garri, na Joy. No, now mothers, mona think twice. Mona sit down one day, see dey think say my pikin wey dey this Europe, how she take dey survive, how she take dey live here, whether na camp she dey or they dey feed her well for this Europe, you no care to know. Even whether she don get document or not, you no care to know. Your own na to just carry phone call her. If he Gostan wan go school, na school fees. If he Juliet wan go school, na school fees. If he Gospel wan go school, na him. Wait o, when they say take care of your family, they not say make some girls more na dey wise up. When they say me una take care of una family, they not say all their problem on your head you go dey. You fit help them if you get. If you not get, let them know say na near tell you not get anything. Not the let them they use less for this Europe. At the age of 30, 33, never still marry. What did it happen? Your parents will just tie you down like say na you born there, like say na you be husband we put for house. It not make sense like that. May Africa parents they wise. May they think twice how their pikin they live for this Europe. You could just carry food, they disturb their life, make the computers for you. You they think you know they think say na husband as you dey. Fine, assuming the girl, your son or your daughter computers for you. House your husband house when you did there, rain they beat you under the roof. No. You marry your husband to live with your husband forever, not for your son or your daughter to build house for you and leave your husband alone. No. You don't marry, let your own daughter or your son settle down. Because of all this bring your son or your daughter could just lose in your life partner. The right pet may just mate for this Europe, you go just lose them. Tomorrow night you go just use lesser life. You go say you see your life, all your mate don't born, you never born. When you don't use lesser life, at the age of 33, 40, woman they use papas they sleep. Mother is not fair now. Mona they think. They don't see me picking or help now. At least mona carry phone. Some others they may good though. Some others just they will be say they be bad head. At least mona carry phone. If na carry phone, I'll call na picking for this Europe. How picking how life for that side. How na they live. I hope all is well. I hope na don't hit you. You na day now all those kind of thing. No, they are not to carry phone. Hello, Joy. Hello, Joy. Problem just there. Oh, the problem will just there. So now gospel will not do this one. Now so this one go break this one. They say me they bring money, me they do this one. What did they happen? Now only you did this Europe. If I say this Europe easy, mona carry una leg follow Libya, mona come here, mona come express things for this place. Pikin no come Europe, make go carry your problem for head. Pikin come this Europe, come fight for your life. They not see me, they not help you now. They go help you now if they get some. Not if they not get some. Now Jonah for the now so now not get money to shop now, get money to they run from one native doctor house to another native doctor. You know make sense, you know wise. Mona carry Bible, mona pray for na pikin. If you make her emotionally remember una, not before not to the trouble your picking for Europe life. Say now so you not bring Maggie money, oh. Now so you not bring money for this one, now so you not bring money for this one. Your picking not go see road stay do what you want to. Your picking not go see road stay settle down with the right man we meet. And for those of you will be the best, will be so no one wise up. Now ma carry phone call na like this. Now just the wrong. Not as not be so I get the money now they forget they go street work because of all those family problem. Some girls use at theater street work. Why now? Why? If your mother call you say some problem there and you know so you don't get that kind of thing, tell them make them kneel down for Grammy, they pray to God Almighty, go do one for them. Yes. Not because of that one enter street work where they useless your life. At the age of 30, 34, you see the wear papas they sleep. As you wear papas they sleep now, maybe you can meet the right man tomorrow or any man tomorrow. How you imagine make that kind of put you for house when they sleep with papas? Eh? Let me you go see some of una now. If you man just meet una, not they reach a month, don't live una. Why? Because all those things, what man want do for there, what want benefit for there, nothing they there again. You know good. Make some parents they advise their children for this Europe. Make they advise their children for this Europe. You know good. Don't just say person just fine, just enter Europe, you call your change, you can't just fine. Don't say don't they chop money here. Meanwhile they talk to you, I take up almost 3 years. 3 years, no document yet. I know they do anyhow, say because of my parents, I want to do street work. It's not fair. If you can't wait, kill yourself. You not concern me. If you not feel wait to kill yourself. Now what I do experience I till they talk so. Now waiting me do experience me till they talk so. I don't feel because of my mama go do street work. It's not done that way. They never born that person. Go do street work. No. If I don't spoil my body tomorrow, you say you see your life. You not care where money for the come. You're not to the chop. No now. If you not feel wait may God bless me. You kill yourself. You not concern me. Until you wait may God bless me, then you enjoy what I get. Don't just carry phone they disturb your daughter. You see your mate don't build house, see your mate don't marry, see your mate don't boom. Now be the picking, now be God when they give picking. If your wife never born for you, pray to God. Not the trouble of life. Not the trouble of life. And for those of you when they run to another man, say una dey find pikin, say una body not good, say na so this one, that one, na so that get problem. Una not get sense. When I say una not get sense, na man be God, na man dey do one for now. Una dey had more problem to una problem. When I get problem, lead out to God and pray to God. Lead out on your knee and pray to God Almighty. God will answer your prayer and do it for you one day. Not carry your problem, they call fellow human be like you. Not carry your phone, they call follow you might be like you, they call them. No. They join more problem to your problem. If you don't know, make you know. If you don't know, make you know. And what I want to tell you now, if you not get mad for this Europe, so now meet the right man for this Europe, when I not call our parents, when I not let them know till the day when you do wedding. Sure, I understand. Because once you don't let them know, you don't they put hope for that man body. You don't they put hope for that man body. Because say, hey, you don't put black boy for head for Europe. Oh. You don't do this one for Europe. You know how the man they live for, yeah? Which one be put black boy for head? You know whether not the good one or the bad one? Not be all men where they do Europe useless, and not be all women for this Europe useless. They are still good ones. They are still good ones. If you open your eye very well, you will still see the good ones. Mona wise up, ladies. And Mona they use sense they follow our parents. I not see Mona not help na ma. I not see Mona not help na pa. Mona not prove me wrong. But Mona use sense follow them. If na not use sense follow them, they go useless your life. They go useless you for this Europe. So tell you go come Nigeria with an 80 and nothing. Mona they use sense, eh? Mona they use sense. Many they will be say bad family don't frustrate for this Europe. Many just did. Although I not get much to say, I don't talk with you. I want to talk. Una take my advice. Una take. So I not still take. You know, concern me. Say I never reach to advice. Una. Me, I not care. She don't understand. All I know is that be wise. Be wise.